I welcome everyone who are watching this video. This video is presented by T. Haritha, 9th Standard, DAV SR Secondary School. In this video, you can learn about what is pi, some interesting facts behind pi, and also some different methods for calculating pi. The magic of max, pi. I read that pi is equal to circumference by diameter, and also pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Also I read that pi is a constant, that is, it remains the same irrespective of the size of the circle, whether it's big or small. I'm not convinced. I'm going to perform some activities to check whether it's correct or not. We know that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Also, we know that 2r is equal to the diameter. So what is pi? Let's find out. For this activity, to check whether pi is equal to circumference by diameter, we need a wooden ring or any circular object. I have marked a small line on the circumference of the wooden ring. Now I am going to roll it over like this so that the distance between the starting point and the ending point will be the measurement of the circumference. Let's start. This is the starting line. And this is the ending line. So the distance between them is the measurement of the circumference. Let me measure the distance. Now we should also measure the diameter of the wooden frame. When I measured, I found out that the circumference was 55.8 centimeters and the diameter was 17.8 centimeters. So, circumference by diameter, which is equal to 55.8 by 17.8, gives us 3.134. This is approximately or close to 3.14, which is the approximate value or the actual value of pi. This proves that circumference by diameter is equal to pi. Then what about the statement that pi is a constant? I am going to perform an activity for that too. For the next activity, to prove that pi is a constant, we need two circular objects. One is a box lid and one is a tape. You can take any two circular objects, and we also need thread. First, by using the thread, we have to measure the circumference. We have to cut it and measure using a scale. The diameter of the lid is 7.1 centimeters. Similarly, we must do for the tape also. When I measured for both the circular objects, I got these measurements. For the circular object 1, that is the box lid, I got 22.3 centimeters as the circumference and 7.1 centimeter as the diameter. For circular object 2, that is the tape, I got the circumference as 27.2 centimeters and 8.6 as the diameter. When I divided, I got 3.14 approximately in both the cases. This proves that pi is a constant. We know that pi is equal to 3.14 approximately. Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th. This is because 3 is taken as the month of the third month of the year, that is March, and 14th is taken as the date. Therefore, 14th March is celebrated as the Pi Day. Now let's look Now let's look into the facts behind pi. Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th every year. The pi symbol was adopted by Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler in 1737. Pi is very important for the whole world to function. Mostly, pi is used to calculate the perimeters and areas that involve circles. Did you know Albert Einstein's birthday is on March 14th, when Pi Day is also celebrated? Pi is a mathematical constant, also known as Archimedes' constant, which is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. Approximately, pi is equal to 3.14. Indians, Chinese and Persians have contributed and played a major role in finding pi. Unknown uses of pi are: pi is used to calculate building and construction, quantum physics, communications, music theory, medical procedures, air travel, spaceflight and many more. Pi is not only about digits and calculations and theorems. It is a fun-filled activity. One such fun-filled activity have been done here. First, 30 digits of decimal places of pi. I have calculated the first 30 digits of decimal places of pi and have prepared a frequency table. As you can see, the digits are from 0 to 9 and the frequency is over here. Number of prime numbers in the above table equals 15. Fun inside pi. All our secrets, occasions, passwords and various other things like our name can be identified in the decimal values of pi. What is pi? Pi philology. Pi philology is the study of remembering the mathematical sequence of digits called pi. Most languages use pi poems and pi songs to aid memorization. Finding the digits of pi helps improve our concentration level, memory power, etc. Emma Huraka Ivo, a female, computed over 31.4 trillion digits of pi, setting the newest Guinness World Record. Now, I am going to tell you about the tasty facts of pi. Now you can see a drawing of pizza before you. Most of us love pizzas. We all love pizzas, cookies, cakes, etc. They're all made up of circles. Now why am I talking about this? There are some tasty facts about pi. Let me tell you those. Some tasty facts about pi. Most pizza shops and bakeries offer special Pi Day deals and discounts on 14 March. That's really amazing. The approximate value of pi, when written as a mirror image, reads as pi, that is PIE. Of course, pi is tasty. 314 PIE. Do you remember me saying that there are different methods to calculate pi? Yes, one such method is Archimedes' method. Even we also learned that pi is also known as the Archimedes constant. What is this Archimedes method? Archimedes used polygons to calculate the value of pi. I have used a simple polygon, a four-sided polygon. Over here I have used squares, two squares, a large square and a small square. Over here, this square is a green square, that is a small square with side small l, and the big square orange square with side capital L. Perimeter of the big square is equal to 4 capital L. Perimeter of the small square is equal to 4 small l. Length. Now, he taught that pi is equal to circumference by diameter. Let's use it for the polygons too. Circumference is nothing but the perimeter of the circle. So we are calculating the perimeter of the polygon. That's easy. But what to do with diameter? Diameter means, is it the diagonal or the side? He thought that we should use both. Length of the diagonal of the small square is equal to root 2l by Pythagoras theorem, as the angles of a square are 90 degrees each. Length of the effective diameter of the big square is equal to capital L. Pi is equal to circumference by diameter. Similarly, let's divide the perimeter and the effective diameter of each square. 4l, that is the perimeter, by the effective diameter L gives us 4, and 4l by root 2l gives us approximately 2.828. we observe that 2.828 is smaller than pi and 4 is greater than pi. If we take polygons with greater number of sides, I have taken a polygon with 4 sides. If we take polygons with greater number of sides, the pi value will become more accurate. Archimedes computed upper and lower bounds by using of pi by drawing a regular hexagon inside and outside a circle and successively doubling the number of sides until he reached a 96-sided regular polygon. Nowadays, even people reach up to 5,000 plus sided polygons so that they get the accurate value of pi. By calculating the perimeters of these polygons, he proved that 3.1408 is smaller than pi and 3.1429 is greater than pi. That is a very close estimation. Over here you can see that I have drawn very minute green lines, and these are the line sides of a polygon. From this you can understand that when the number of sides of a polygon is increased, it will be almost equal to the circle. It will appear to us as a circle. Over here also it seems to be a circle, but it's not. It's a polygon. Let's enjoy maths and don't memorize it. Thank you.